Items may be placed in the seat pocket. If you need assistance, please let me know.
There we go.
Please.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Captain Americani, that power reset fixed the issue that we have with the fuel flow. So we'll be turning the air back on momentarily once we get our auxiliary power unit up to speed, and air conditioning will come back on. For those of you that are probably heard the rumors, but I'll just go ahead and say it. I refused the other aircraft. As they were flying it over here, they had lost all navigation capabilities on the airplane twice. And maintenance couldn't find anything wrong. They ran all kinds of tests, couldn't find anything wrong. And so I decided, well, if you couldn't find anything wrong and there was nothing to fix, I'm not going to take the airplane because you haven't resolved any issues. So that was the reason why I refused the aircraft. They think it's a good airplane, but I believe that it's going to have to be tested and checked out more before myself or probably most any other pilot would take it. But that's the reason for us switching aircraft.